It's the time of year that I'm starting to make my fall decor, and I have a lot of these slat boards that we used when we was building cabinets, and this mesh was shaved off some of the boards. And if you'll remember, I think I posted a video where I made the shelf, and it has this made with the slats. So what I'll do here is this board I've just put here to keep them all straight, and then I'll take a pencil and make my pattern on each sides of my boards, on that end and on this end will be the bottom, and then come up towards the top and draw out a pumpkin, the top of the pumpkin. Then I'll take it to my scroll saw and saw them down and use my nail gun and cut this piece here, the slats running this way, to hold it all together with some nail gun and some glue. And I'll be back when I get all that finished. Okay, I traced a pattern, not a pattern, but I just freehanded the corners on the top and the bottom of the pumpkin. Now I am just going to take this piece of board and flip it over here so I can trace that pattern, and it'll be the right height and it'll all match. I just flipped it and put it on this side of the board. Alright, I have all my pieces cut, and I'm out here in the garage, and I'm going to put some wood glue on there and then staple the braces to the back of it, and then it'll be ready to paint and decorate. Alright, it is glued and nailed together. I'm going to let the glue dry for a little while, and then I'll take it in my craft room and I'll start painting and decorating it and figure out what I'm going to do. Well, I'm having a hard time figuring out which orange to use. I have this one, which is called a neon orange. I don't like that. I didn't think I put that. Maybe that's what that is. Nope, that's not it. It was something else. The Waverly pumpkin. I don't think that's the color I want. And we have Harvest Orange. I kind of like that one. And then the Americana. What is this color? Sweet Pumpkin. Oh, Spice Pumpkin. Yeah, Spice Pumpkin. And then Apple Barrel. That says Ripe Tomato. And that looks like that. I think I'm going to take my board outside and kind of see what it looks like in the daylight, because it's cloudy today and I'm having a hard time really seeing colors like they probably will show up. I think I'm leaning towards the Harvest Orange. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to pick one out and I'm going to paint it. Okay, I got this finished, and I think it turned out for just scraps of wood, thin scraps of wood. I ended up using the Folk Art Spice Pumpkin. I was going to go with the colors that were had a little more red to them, but I decided not to, and I'm glad I didn't. I like this color. And I cut a stem out of the same wood and nailed it on the back, just as you can see, like that. And it's pretty tall. It's about 2.5 foot tall. It's kind of hard to get it all fit in here. And then I just got some scraps of, well, this was some burlap and a ribbon and some material here, some raffia, and then this is a Dollar Tree flower. The little ones are from the Dollar Tree. And then on the sign, I just took 2 pieces of scrap wood and cut them down to size. Glued them together with popsicle sticks. and cut the little sign out with my Cameo. And I'm going to put a hanger on the back of it, because this is real lightweight. I mean, it's just really not heavy whatsoever. I'm going to put a hanger on the back of it, and I'll take this wreath that I made down and hang it there. I think it will look cute on the entrance of the house. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas. And until the next one, we'll see you later. Well, guys, I was not satisfied with the way the top of the pumpkin looked. The stem, after I got the bow and the flower and everything on, the stem just did not show up. So I drew another stem on a thin piece of board and took it to my scroll saw and cut it out, and I just glued it on the top of that one. You can see it's about an inch higher, but I think it shows up better and looks better. And I wanted to add this on to the end of the video so you could see what else I'd done to it. Alright, hopefully this time this is it, and until the next one, we'll see y'all later.